Alright, what's going on YouTube? This is That Blue Hawkeye, and this is a new project car I picked up. It's an 02 WRX Wagon. My first car was a wagon, so I wanted another, and this one seemed pretty decent. I'll get to the exact specs on it later, but exterior, it's got super tinted windows, Prodrive wheels. The body panels are decent, but overall it's like a pretty nice car. It's only got 118,000 on it. Zoomed in, sorry. 118K on it. Clean title, and the kid thought it needed like vacuum lines or whatever, so I took the risk and picked it up. So when I got it, what I did, here I'll pop the hood real quick and show you guys what I did yesterday. I've only owned this car 2 days. There's the interior. It came with an access port, full Invidia exhaust. There's under the hood. Yesterday I replaced all the vacuum lines I could find. I did the new turbo inlet, the red thing you see there. I did new plugs and a crank position sensor. I'm not sure if you can see in the video, but you can see the engine shaking a bit. That's the biggest problem with the car, was that it's acting like a misfire, but there's no check engine lights. But anyway, so on to the point of the story and what to watch out with these wagons. So I finished what I was doing yesterday under the hood. It's running pretty good now. Now I get to the rear of it, and I know people say that they have shock tower issues with the rust. I'm not sure if you can see under here, but probably not. You can kind of see it's rough under there. But anyway, I was poking around underneath there and it ended up, hold on. Alright, one sec, sorry about that, guys. Anyway, I poked around and I was actually able to poke a hole and feel this carpet here. So you gotta watch on these wagons. This area here, they rust out, and basically turn this into a parts car. It's really a shame because it's a solid wagon, but with how rusted those rear shock towers are, they can blow through at any second. And it really sucks because this is gonna be my daily, but and the other side, the passenger side, did the same exact thing. There's a little surface rust here, not too bad, but I can literally feel my hand. I can poke right through to the interior. So I'm gonna pull this apart today and update you guys what I find out. That's what sucks on these wagons. You gotta pull all this trim out to get to it. So I'm gonna pull it out and see what we got, but yeah, it really sucks. So just something that, I mean, I've had so many of these Subarus now. This is my third wagon, and the rest are sedans. But yeah, 118,000 miles on it. It's a shame because it runs so damn good, but I guess it's what you get when you don't check something out properly. So like I said, I'm gonna pull the rear apart and I will update you guys when I find out what I see. So peace. Alright guys, so here's an update here. This is the same 02 WRX wagon. I finally got all this trim out. It's a pain in the ass. It's something that's really not practical when you're checking out a car, but because you got to tear this whole trunk liner out. But as you can see, the strut tower looks fine on this side. I've ripped all this soundproofing stuff out, but wait till we get to this other side. Alright, so as you can see, there's the tire. That's where my finger poked through. The positive is this is repairable. It goes right to the, it is structural. Got to basically weld right to the fire, I guess it's the fender arch, I'm not really sure. But it also got down along the side there a little bit too. So it's pretty bad. So I would suggest to you guys to, if you have wagons, yank that soundproofing material out, because you don't want this happening to you. So pretty crazy overall, and it's a shame. It really is. So hopefully you learned something from it, as I sure did. So I actually might be fixing this car. I gotta send some pictures to my dad. We have a welder, so I'm hoping we can fix it, because it'd be a shame to start parting this perfectly good car out. So I'll keep you updated. It'll definitely be a project, so have a good one.